The average small business owner spends 23 hours a week on tasks that do not grow their business. Email, scheduling, research, social media, customer replies, administrative work that never ends. In 2023, people hired virtual assistants for this. In 2024, the good ones automated half of it. In 2026, there are 7 AI tools that handle all of it. Better, faster, and for less than the cost of one coffee a day. This video will show you exactly what they are and how to set them up, even if you've never used AI before. Welcome to Autonomi Lab, where we build systems that work while you don't. I'm going to walk you through 7 tools that are quietly replacing entire job roles in 2026. Not hype, actual tools, actual workflows. Tools I've tested personally so you don't have to waste your time. Quick note before we start. None of these require coding skills. Some have free tiers. All of them can be set up in under an hour. Let's get into it. This is Autonomi Lab. Build systems, earn differently. See you in the next one. Let's recap. The 7 tools that are replacing the traditional VA in 2026. 1. Notion AI. Research, writing, knowledge management. 2. Zapier. Email, form responses, cross-tool automation. 3. ElevenLabs. Voiceover, podcast, audio content. 4. Claude AI. Strategy, thinking, copy planning. 5. Calendly. Scheduling, routing, intake. 6. Descript. Video editing, captions, post-production. 7. Make.com. Complex multi-step business automation. The total cost to run all of these? Under $80 a month? A part-time VA in most countries costs $500 to $1,500 a month, and they don't work at 3 a.m. If you want to go deeper on any of these tools, I have dedicated setup videos planned for all of them. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss those. Next week, I'm covering the exact $0 system I use to generate consistent online income and how you can copy it this month. I'll see you then. If your VA ever did anything involving writing, summarizing, or researching, Notion AI now does it in seconds. Ask it to summarize a 40-page document. It does it in 8 seconds. Ask it to draft a client proposal from 3 bullet points. Done. Ask it to create a weekly content calendar from a single topic. It will give you 12 ideas, formatted, ready to go. The key feature in 2026 is Notion AI's Quanda mode. You can dump your entire knowledge base into Notion and then ask questions like, you're talking to an assistant who has read everything you've ever written. Cost, free plan available. AI features start at $10/month. Replaces, research assistant, writer, note taker. Zapier has been around for years, but the 2026 version is different. It now has AI actions built in, meaning your automations can make decisions, not just move data. Here's a real example. Someone fills out your contact form. Zapier reads it with AI, categorizes whether it's a sales inquiry, support issue, or spam, drafts a custom reply, and sends it, without you touching it. That entire flow used to require 3 different humans. The most powerful Zap I've set up. New YouTube comment. AI analyzes sentiment. If positive, auto-replies with a thank you. If it's a question, adds to a FAQ doc for weekly review. Cost, free plan for basic automations. Paid from $20/month. Replaces, admin assistant, customer service responder, data organizer. If you create any kind of content, YouTube, podcast, online course, ElevenLabs ends the need for a professional voice artist. But here's the part most people miss. In 2026, you can clone your own voice in 60 seconds. Upload 3 minutes of audio. It learns your voice. Now, any script you type is narrated in your exact voice, including your accent, your pauses, your energy. I use this for YouTube narration, podcast intros, course modules, and even customer-facing welcome messages. The quality gap between AI voice and human voice is now invisible to the average listener. Cost, free tier available. Starter from $5/month. Replaces, voiceover artist, podcast editor, audio content creator. Every high performer has a thinking partner. Someone to pressure test ideas, poke holes in plans, draft strategy documents, and give honest feedback. Claude AI is that partner now. What separates Claude from other AI tools is depth of reasoning. For anything requiring nuanced thinking, business strategy, marketing copy, contract review, research synthesis, Claude produces output that rivals experienced consultants. Practical use case. Every Sunday, I dump the week's tasks into Claude with this prompt. You are a chief of staff. Here are my tasks for the week. Reorganize these by business impact and give me a 5-item priority list with reasoning. The output is better than any assistant I've ever worked with. Cost free. Pro plan at $20/month for higher volume. Replaces strategy consultant, copywriter, executive assistant. Scheduling is one of the most mind-numbing tasks in any business. The back and forth, the time zone confusion, the last-minute cancellations. Calendly's 2026 version with AI routing does this. A lead submits a form. AI qualifies them based on your criteria, routes them to the right meeting type, and books them into the correct slot, automatically. You never touch it. Pro tip: connect Calendly to Zapier, and you can auto-send a custom prep email to every person who books, personalized to their inquiry type, without ever typing a single word. Cost, free tier. Teams plan from $10/month per user. Replaces scheduling coordinator, receptionist, intake assistant. Video editing used to require skill, time, or money. Descript removes all 3 barriers. You upload your video, it auto-transcribes it. You edit the video like a Word document. Delete a sentence in the transcript, and the video cut is made automatically. It removes filler words with 1 click. It adds captions, chapter markers, and even fills awkward pauses with a studio sound feature. For faceless YouTube channels, this is a game changer. You can produce a polished 10-minute video in under 2 hours total. Cost, free for basics. Creator plan at $24/month. Replaces video editor, caption editor, post-production coordinator. Make.com is Zapier's more powerful cousin. Where Zapier is simple and fast, Make is visual and deep. If you want to build multi-step automations with conditions, loops, and data transformations, Make is where you go. Real workflow example. A customer purchases your digital product, Make sends them a welcome email, adds them to a Google Sheet, creates a Notion task for follow-up in 7 days, sends a Slack notification to you, logs the sale in Airtable. 5 actions, 0 manual effort, runs 24/7. At scale, this is the difference between a business that runs and a business that runs you. Cost, free plan available. Core plan from $9/month. Replaces operations manager, system coordinator, data entry specialist.